Alright guys, welcome back. Right, first off, my beard's gone because I'm doing Movember. It's good charity, and if you want to support me, leave a comment below and I'll send you a link. Right, so in this video, I want to paint this sill. Now, if you've been watching this project, you'll know I've recently repaired it. This was all smashed in. So I've repaired it, fiberglassed it, it's now in primer. So hopefully by the end of today's video, this is going to be painted, lacquered, blended in and looking very nice. Right, so this is high build primer at the minute. It's going to need a good rub down. It's going to use 600 block, and then going to use 800 on the DA, get it nice and smooth, feather it all in, panel wipe it, base coat, lacquer, fade out spray. That's the idea. Let's see if we can do it. Right, first off, I'm just going to mask around here. This isn't the final mask, this is just to prevent me from damaging it when I sand it. Now, I've noticed there's a few scratches on the door here, so I didn't notice them before. I was just going to kind of put the paint to say here and a bit of lacquer over to about here, say for example, and then blend it out. Because of them scratches, clearly from getting in and out, that might be the seatbelt actually what's done it. I'm going to paint to about here, I think. It's a little bit annoying because I didn't notice before, but I'd rather notice now than afterwards. Right, this is 600. Annoyingly, this is actually quite deep, so I'm going to have to put a bit of filler on here and it's going to need a bit of primer. But never mind. Right, I've just mixed a bit of dolphin glaze with this bit, put it on, covered up the odd little scratch here and there. So once that's dry in 20 minutes, I can block it down, give it a little bit of primer, and then carry on. Right, I've used a little bit of soft edge tape up to the edge here, as you can see, and then I've taped over it. So that makes sense. So once the door closes in that, it's going to make a kind of relatively nice soft edge to paint up to. Like this. Hopefully you can see that in the camera, but it's just a nice edge. So it's going to blend in well. Right, I've quickly sanded this filler. I didn't think you guys would want to see that, but it just wants a panel wipe and a quick prime now. Right, I'm using some 1200 wet and dry just to feather the last bit out. Right, it's masked, it's panel wiped, it's dry, it's ready to go. So I've never actually really blended paint before, so this is a new one for me. But I'm essentially going to base coat here, to about this line here. If I put the P, and then I'm going to lacquer to about here. And then I've got the blend thinner, which goes on the end. So I'm just going to spray the end, and hopefully that'll just feather it out a little bit. So let's give it a go. Right, I've never used this before. This is the U-Pole fade out thinner. So, as you can see, I've painted this panel. It's now time just to give it a bit of this. I've been told you want several light coats. Don't look bad, that. Right guys, we are done and the Sill looks really, really good. I am dead chuffed. I've never done fading before, never done fading in metallic, so it's come out good. I can't grumble. So with that in mind, I'm going to wrap the video up here. Please show support by hitting the like button, leaving a comment, and obviously if you want to sponsor me for November, just leave a comment below and I'll show you a link. Thank you very much guys, stay tuned for more and see you very, very soon, and bye bye. So if you haven't already, leave a comment at bottom. Right, I'm really hot and sweaty. Ugh. Dragonfly. No, cranefly. Yeah, we're going to wrap the video up there because I can't do much more. Please, right guys, we are done and it looks really, really hot. Oh, I'm struggling today.